Welcome to Learn English Chill. English conversation. A sunny day with friends.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am good, thank you.
That's nice to hear. Do you like this weather?
Yes, I like it. The sun is shining today.
I agree. It's a beautiful day outside.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, I'd love to. Where should we go?
How about the park near my house?
Sounds good. Is it far from here?
No, it's not far. Just 10 minutes by foot.
Great. I like walking.
Me too. Do you go to the park often?
Not really. Maybe once a week.
I go there every weekend.
What do you do at the park?
I run or read a book.
I like reading too. What books do you read?
I like adventure books. And you?
I like stories about friendship.
Cool. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, it's called The Best Friends.
I don't know that one. Is it good?
Yes, very good. You should read it.
Okay, I will try it. Thanks, Emma.
You're welcome. Do you want to eat something later?
Yes, I'm hungry. What do you like to eat?
I like pizza. How about you?
I like pizza too. There's a good place nearby.
Perfect. Let's go there after the park.
Sure. What time is it now?
It's 2 p.m. Is that okay?
Yes, it's fine. Let's start walking now.
Okay, let's go. Do you have water with you?
Yes, I have a bottle. Do you need some?
No, I have mine. Thanks, Jack.
Good. It's nice to walk with you.
Thank you. I like your company too.
Do you live near here, Emma?
Yes, just 5 minutes away. And you?
I live close to the park.
That's convenient. Do you have a big house?
Not really. It's small but nice.
I like small houses. They feel cozy.
Yes, I agree. Do you live with your family?
Yes, with my parents and sister.
That's nice. I live with my brother.
Do you get along with him?
Yes, most of the time. And you with your sister?
Yes, she's my best friend.
That's sweet. We're almost at the park now.
Oh, I see it. It looks so green.
Yes, it's very pretty today.
I'm excited to walk here.
Me too. Let's take the path by the trees.
Good idea. Do you see any birds?
Yes, over there. They're flying.
So cute. I love nature.
Same here. This is a fun day.
Yes, I'm happy we came.
Me too, Emma. Let's do this again soon.
Thanks for watching.